Hey, what is up, YouTube? Hey guys, got a unboxing video for you guys here. Just got this in. So I guess let's open it and we'll talk about it. All right, just came in from Amazon. So this is a remote control. Looks like the battery goes in there somehow. We'll figure out how to do that. Okay. So it's a new tripod, guys, for my iPhone. One I currently have is pretty much shot. So this thing came with a nice bag right there, carrying case. So my first impressions, this thing, it feels a lot sturdy than the cheap one I had before. So this thing is definitely sturdy. It's not it doesn't feel like cheap or anything like that. Definitely yeah. So, and I guess here is where you would attach okay. And right there is the lock for it. Here's the operating handle. This is move up and down. Okay. Right there. And we have a remote to go with it. So you could stand back and record and control your camera with this remote right here. As soon as I can figure out. Okay, there we go. Bam. Okay, guys, so I would definitely recommend it. This is called the UB Size on Amazon. Yeah, definitely, man. It's got like some kind of a, if you see right there, that is, seems like that's some, oh yeah, that's some kind of a leveling, that's your leveling indicator right there. Okay, so I mean, I can't complain, guys. I mean, it's, for the price, you know, it's nice. It's definitely a lot sturdier than the one I had before. So check it out, guys. Once again, thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and hope you guys have a great day. Thank you, guys. Hey guys, so I'm making another video here about this tripod. So I got it all unboxed. I made an unboxing video yesterday about it. So today I want to show you guys like how it's set up, how tall it is. Right here you can see. So you would just go on down the line and let the legs down. This thing is pretty tall, guys. It's like, I would say 5 feet. Don't quote me on that. It's pretty tall. And it also has an extension on the top as well. Okay, we'll do that. I'll bring you guys up in a second. Okay, so here it is, guys. This thing is it's pretty tall. And also we have right here, there's the, you can also lift this part up as well. So you could, you know, go really tall with this thing. I mean, this thing is like as tall as I am. So there it is, guys, tripod. It's called UB Size. Okay, on Amazon. So thought I'll make another short, quick video right here for you guys to check it out once it's all like set up and everything, so you can get an idea of how tall it is. I mean, this thing is pretty solid. It's a solid, you know, it's pretty solid. I have one, but it took a crap on me, and that one is nowhere near as durable as this thing right here. I mean, you know, and for the price, can't beat it, guys. Definitely can't beat it. So, if you're into making like little videos for YouTube and or like, you know, shooting videos, things like that, I definitely recommend it. So this piece right here, this is for the phone, obviously, and then like if you have a GoPro, you could also screw it into this, because I think the threads on this is compatible with all the GoPros and everything. They're the same thread pattern, so shouldn't be an issue at all. So here you go, guys. A tripod, highly recommend it. If you guys, it's not even that expensive. It's you know, can't remember how much it costs, but I know it's not a whole lot of money. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please like the video. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have any comments, you can leave them down below. And hope you guys have a great day today. Thanks. Bye.